What is going on, guys? Today we have had an absolute great day. I am actually going to pull up here basically what we got going on here. I'm going to show you guys a bunch of profits. I don't know why that one's in the profits, but you guys are going to see here. This is just from today. These are from my call outs and from my alerts. We got Cheeto over here killing it on both absolute accounts. Congrats to him. We got Jess in here making money. Adrian making money yesterday. Congrats to all of you guys. We'll get that out of the way here. I wanted to go over the 3 trades. So I'm actually going to go on ahead and show you guys.
I've been getting dirty money.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So that being said, let's jump back to the video. This is it right here. SPY, Amazon, and SPY again. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys those. I did alert them. They're timestamp data and everything. You guys can pause the video right there if you wanted to. But right here is the actual trades that we made. So I am zoomed in here on SPY on the 10-minute chart. So I bought puts here this morning. Sold them here for, I think it was like 7 or 8%. Quick, easy money, nothing too fancy, just a quick day trade. Again, guys, when the market goes back to normal, guys, you guys are going to see a ton more of my swing trades. I'm actually in 2 right now. I'm in BABA and I'm in Apple, if you guys wanted to know that. And then this was my other trade. This one, actually, you guys can see it wasn't as much, but I still made 5% on this trade. I entered here, sold here on calls. I actually entered on this I don't know if it was this candle or this candle, but I was down here quite a bit, and I just knew, I stick to my strategy, I stick to my guns. If it's a strategy that wins a lot, you let them play out as long as the strategy is still saying yes, it's going to go up, or yes, it's going to go down. So this one was saying yes, it's going to go up. We actually made money. I actually sold out here at 5% again. I was happy. You guys can see I probably could have made 20-30% easy here. But again, these are day trades, not swing trades. You guys know when it comes out of day trades, I'm trying to shoot anywhere between 5 to 10%, take my profits and run from it. Sometimes things run like this and I can't get out of them in time, and I'm market selling them. I still make more than what I was anticipating and planning to, but that happens. But that is these trades. This other trade I'm going to show you guys is the Amazon trade. So this one was using a different strategy. I have not released this one to anybody. I did alert it. It was actually quite easy. You guys are thinking, oh, so you bought calls, you bought the bounce. Actually, no. If you guys look at this on a 1-minute chart is what I was trading this on. I actually bought perfectly on this one, I think, is I was buying puts here, and I actually sold here for right around 6.5%, and it was a super easy trade. You see Amazon moves a lot, and that's how you're able to capture these small moves and make a lot of money using it. But again, 1-minute candles on this one. Again, this strategy has not been released yet here, so don't be trying. You guys can see where I entered on BABA. We are getting close on those puts, so if you guys want to know that we are getting close to being in the money. I got an alert set for when it hits around here, because based on what I've seen and what I'm estimating, this will be where it hits around 20% based on my trade. Same with Apple here. Apple is coming down a little bit more here. Again, we're a little bit further away than what we were wanting to be. Again, I entered over here. I entered before a big gap up, and that happens on these swing trades. Again, guys, we're anticipating 2 weeks to a month out. We're not anticipating the next day. So a lot of these trades, you will have these big spikes in them, just like GLD last week. Went all the way down on me, then came way back up for me to take profits. Congrats to anybody that made that money. But this one is starting to slowly come down. So those are those 2 plays. SPY and Apple were my plays today. Again, quick, easy. It is 1:44. I've been on the phone with a lot of students and stuff like that, working with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.